Hi guys, it's Will Wynn here from My Car Heaven. Hope you're all good. Just gonna test a product today. Me, like you probably, look at loads of products when I go to various car retailers, and you're sort of lost a little bit as to what products you should be using for your car. Today I'm testing a turtle wax product called Scratch and Repair. This is used for scratches, any marks on your paintwork, etc, etc. All you need is the product, Turtle Wax Scratch and Repair, some form of cloth, and some elbow grease. So let's take a quick look at a few of the scratches on my cars, and let's see how it performs. Hi guys, so here you can see a few scratches here. If you look there, a few surface scratches, and further down. So I'm just going to use the product, and you'll see for yourself what it looks like. So just a little bit of product. Okay, onto the car, as you can see, and just backwards and forwards and backwards and forwards. See how you get on. So you can see. So you can see on the cloth, it's got a little bit of blue, a little bit of the paintwork's coming off. It's a bit abrasive. That's how you get your paint merging with the. So there, look. I think that's pretty amazing. So I'm going to carry on down here. Let's see how we get on. Hopefully this is coming across pretty good on the camera, and you can see how it's performing. So we've got a little white dot here. It's getting smaller and smaller. To say it's pretty amazing. Okay, I don't know if you can see that now. Let's just rub that away. You see that? Okay, so you can see that you get a bit of the blue coming off the paint, but it's not really overly noticeable. So let's carry on going. You can still see I've got some down here. Now it says when you're using the product that if you're not satisfied with the product in terms of its performance, okay, then you just go over it again, okay? So I'm just going to put a little bit more on here and go over this again here. I mean, nothing to say, I suppose, with any of these products, it's not going to get you back to how it was freshly painted out of a factory. Never going to happen. And it's never going to probably work on deep scratches. It's just surface scratches. You know, and where you've got nicks where it's gone down to a bit of the white or the base layer. So there, what do you think? I mean, I think that's pretty amazing from where we started from. Let's have a quick look. There's also some surface scratches here. So let's just see. I don't know if you can see this. See some surface scratches there. Okay, it's just here. So I'm just going to try and push this here. See if we can get rid of those. Okay. So if you can see there, look, you know, you get the paint's coming off on the cloth, but let's wipe it down. I mean, it's definitely an improvement. I mean, I don't think it's, it's not perfect by any stretch, but let's have a quick look if we can zoom in and see that. Yeah, I mean, it's just a lot better. Okay, let's have a look. I'll show you another one here. See that? Okay, so we can see this one here. It's quite a deep one, and there's quite a lot of surface ones here. I won't go over the whole thing. I'm sure you don't want to watch a video for ages, but look, let's have a quick look at this one. So it just says to go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. That way. So it's definitely an improvement. You can still see it though. It's never going to go completely. And then there's this little one over here. Let's do that one as well. I think you'll agree that that's pretty much gone. Yeah, I'm very happy with that. So I'm going to do the whole of this now, the whole of this wheel, and there's lots more bits here to do. So yeah, I'll show you what it looks like when I've finished. Right guys, so I've now finished this piece of bodywork, and you can see, just take a quick look. Can't get rid of this. This is just a mark, but there's no noticeable white marks or scratches on the car now. Even this deep one here, still a bit noticeable, but it's certainly not as noticeable as before. So this product gets a big thumbs up from me, and it's certainly going to be a product that I keep in my collection.